Good morning, students. Welcomes you all in today's online lesson organized by Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Today we learn about measurement. In that we learn about coins and notes. Okay. Now myself Avinash Gavanji Bhoye from Mumbai Public School, Dharavi Kala Killa. This is the topic we have to learn today. Okay. Students, can you tell me what do you see? Yes.
Notes and coins.
Notes and coins. Okay. Now tell me which is this coin?
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Good. And this one?
5 rupees.
And this?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. And this one?
1 rupees.
1 rupee. Good. Now these are notes. Okay. First one is
10
10.
rupees.
Second.
20.
The third one.
50.
And this one.
100.
This one.
200.
And last one.
500.
500. Okay. These are notes and coins. Or this is the currency of our country. Okay. Now see here. These are coins. This is 1, 2, 5 and 10 rupees coins. Okay. So now we have some problems. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Okay. Price of the item is rupees 5 and amount paid is 10 rupees. So change to be given is, can you tell me the answer?
5.
5 rupees. We have to do subtraction. Okay. Now the second one, price of the item is 15 and amount paid is, amount paid
20.
20. So change to be given is
5.
5. Good. Now price of the item, third one, is 10 rupees and amount paid is 20. So the change to be given is
10 rupees.
10 rupees. Good. Now see the fourth one, price of the item is 8 rupees and amount paid is 10. So the change to be given is
2 rupees.
very easy problems. Now see the last one, price of the noodles is 12 rupees and amount paid is, what is amount paid? See here, 10
50
plus
rupees.
15 rupees. Okay. So change to be given is
3 rupees.
3 rupees. Good. Very good. Now write the total amount shown. Okay. Now see the first picture, first row, this row. What is the total amount? Here the first coin is 5 rupees, second one is 2 and third one is 2. So what is the total amount? 5 plus 2 plus 2.
9.
9 rupees. Okay, good. 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 plus 2 is 9. Now in second row,
11.
11. Good. It is 10 rupees note and 1 rupee coin. Now see the third row, 2 coins of 5 rupees and 2 coins of 2 rupees. So the total amount is
14.
14. Good. Now see the last one. There are 3 coins of 2 rupees and 2 coins of 1 rupees. So the total amount is
8 rupees.
8 rupees. Very good. Very easy. Now see here. Write the correct value inside each coin note so that the total value is the same as that given. So here we have to draw coins or notes. or we can write only the numbers. Okay, so see, A is 20 rupees, so we have to divide it in notes and coins. So in the rectangle we have to write 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, etc. And in the circle we have to write the value of coins. So how what is the answer? Yes. Okay. If 20 rupees. So if we write 10 rupees here, this is note of 10 rupees, and these two are coins of 5 rupees. So what is the total amount? See, 10
20.
plus 5. Okay. So in this way we have to split it. Okay. Now see the second one, B1, 10 rupees. We have to split into one note and three coins. So yes, 5 rupees note, and then the coins are
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Yes,
2,
2,
1.
1. Very good. So 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 10 rupees. Very good. Now see the last one. 5 rupee note is given. So we have to split it into three coins.
2
2
plus 2
plus 2
plus 1.
plus 1. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Very good. Now let us know 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa?
100
See,
paisa.
100 paisa. And quarter of rupee,
25 paisa.
25 paisa. Quarter means 1/4. Now half a rupee is equal to how many paise?
50 paisa.
50 paise. And 3/4 of a rupee is equal to
75.
75 paise. Okay, good. Now we see the problems. 4 rupee is equal to how many paise? Which option is right? 4 rupee is equal to how many paise?
400.
400, because 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 4 rupees equal to 400 paise. So the third one is right option. Very good. Now see, read the question.
2.5 rupees is equal to how many paisa?
Okay, 2.5 rupee. 2.5 rupee means 2 rupees, and half rupees means means how many paise?
30,
30 or 50?
50,
50 paise. And quarter rupee means
200,
see, 2 rupees and 50 paise. 2 rupees means how many paise?
200,
200. 200 plus 50 paise means 250 means 250 paise. So which one is the right option?
fourth one.
Fourth one. So 2.5 rupees means 250 paise. Good. See here, 2.5 rupee. The illustration is given. 2.5 rupee means 2 rupees plus half paise. 2 rupees means 200 paise plus half rupee is equal to 50 paise. Then the total amount is 250 paise. So the fourth option is right. Now question number 3. Sanju had one note of 100 rupee, three notes of 20 rupee, and 20 coins of 5 rupee. So what was the total amount with Sanju? Okay. So here given is Sanju had one note of 100 rupee. Okay. So he had 100 rupee. Then
20 rupees.
20 rupees means how many rupees?
60.
60 rupees. Okay. That is 20 into 3. And 20 coins of 5 rupee. 20 coins of 5 rupee means how many rupees? 20 multiplied by 5. That is
10.
10 or 100?
100.
100. So the total amount is, we have to add it. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 plus 0 is 6. And 1 plus 1 is
2.
2. So the total amount is
260 rupees.
260 rupees. So which option is right?
Second one.
Second one. So the total amount with Sanju is 260 rupees. See, a illustration is given. One note of 100 rupees means 100 rupees. Three notes of 20 rupee means 60 rupees. And 20 coins of 5 rupees, 5 into 20, that is 100 rupees. So the total amount is 260 rupees. Good. So the second one is right option. 1¼ rupee plus 3½ rupee is equal to, we have to do addition here. 1¼ rupee means how many paisa and how many rupees?
1
1¼ rupee.
rupees.
Yes, 1 rupees.
15 paise.
15 or 25.
25.
In time section, if it is quarter, then it is 15 minutes. Okay. Quarter hour means 15 minutes. But in rupees, if it is given quarter rupees means it is 25 paisa. And now see, 3½ rupee means, half rupee means how many paisa?
50.
50. Very good. So we have to do the addition. 5 plus 0 is
5.
5. 2 plus 5,
7.
7. And 1 plus 3,
4.
so 4 rupees 75 paisa. So which option is right? First one is right. Okay, good. See here, 1¼ rupee means 1 rupees and 25 paisa. 3½ rupee is 3 rupees and 50 paisa. Now we have to do the addition. So the answer is 4 rupees and 75 paise. Okay. Question number 5. Read the question.
If 10 coins each of 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupee are taken, then what will be total amount?
Okay, so the 10 coins of 10 coins each of 2 rupee, 5 rupee and 10 rupees are taken. So the what will be the total amount? So 10 coins of 2 rupees. So 2 into 20, 10 is, what is the total amount? 2 into 10 is 20 rupees, and 5 into 10 is, yes, 5 into 10 is how many rupees? 50 rupees. And 10 into 10 is
100.
100. Now we have to add all of this. 0, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 as it is. So the total amount is 170
70.
rupees. So the third option is right. See, they given if 10 coins each of 2 rupees, 3 rupees, and 10 rupees are taken, then what will be the total amount? So we have to multiply the coins by 10 and then add the amount. So we will get the final answer. See here, 2 rupee coins, that is 2 into 10, that is 20. 5 rupee coins, 5 into 10, 50, and 10 rupee coins, 10 into 10 is 100, and total amount is 170. Okay, read the question number 6.
How many notes of 20 rupee will make 500?
Okay, so how many notes of 20 rupee will make 500? Can you tell me the answer?
20 multiplied by 500.
We have to do multiplication or division?
Division.
Division, yes. We have to divide 500 by
20.
20. So 22s are, sorry, 10, 22s are 40.
40.
0. 5 minus 4 is 1.
1.
Okay. And 25s are
100.
100. So how many notes required?
25.
25 notes. So which option is right?
Third option.
Third option. Very good. See here. 500 divided by 20, that is 25. Okay, now read question number 7.
Suvarna and Shalna saved 100 and rupees 50 respectively per month. Oh, how much amount will they save together in the year?
Suvarna and Shalana saves rupees 150 respectively per month. So how much amount will they save together in the year? So how to do it? Yes. What we have to do? See, Suvarna and Shalana saves rupees 150 respectively per month. Means Suvarna and Shalana are two friends. They saves 100 rupees and 50 rupees respectively per month. So the total saving of the month is total saving of 1 month is 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50 is, yes,
850.
150 rupees. Okay. So this is the saving of 1 month. So how many months are there in the year?
12.
12. So what we have to do? We have to find out the total amount will they save together in a year. So we have to multiply it by 12 to find out the total saving of year. Now do multiplication. 150 multiplied by 12. Okay, 12 0
0.
0. 12 5 are 12 5 are, okay,
60.
60. Good. We have to write 6 here. 12 ones are 12, and 12 plus 6 is
18.
18. So this is the total saving of a year. So which option is right?
Second.
Second one. Okay, good. See here. Total saving of Suvarna and Shalan in the month is 100 plus 50. That is 150 rupees. So the total saving in the year with 150 saved per month is 150 multiplied by 12. Why we have to multiply the total saving of month by 12? Because we have to find out the total saving of year, and year there are 12 months. So this is the total saving of month, that is 1800 rupees. Okay, read the question.
Rajesh had equal number of coins of 5 rupees and 10 rupees, amounting to rupees 135. How many coins Rajesh had totally?
Okay, so Rajesh had equal number of coins of 5 rupees and 10 rupees, amounting to rupees 135. So how many coins Rajesh had totally? So Rajesh must had the total number of coins equal. If he had 2 rupees, 5 rupees coins 2, then he must have 10 rupees coins 2 also. So we have to find out the total numbers of coin which amounting rupees 135. So 5 plus 10 is, see here,
15.
5 rupee coins of 5 rupee and 10 rupee notes. That is 5 plus 10 is 50. Okay. And we have to find out the total number of coins. So if we divide 135 by 50, this is 15. So we considered that this is single coin of 15 rupees. Okay. It is the single coin of 15 rupees. So we divide it 135 by 15. So 15 divided 135 divided by 15. So now tell me the table of 15. 15 nines are 135. So the total number of coins is 9, but this is the coins of 15 rupees. Now we split it 5 plus 10. Then means number of coin of 5 is
9.
9 and number of coin of 10 is
2.
9. So the total number of coin is 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 9, 18. So the right option is third one. See here, this is, we see the illustration. See here. The amount of each coin together is 5 plus 10, that is 15 rupees. So the number of coins of each type is, see here, they do division. 135 divided by 15, that is 9. So there are 9 coins of 5 rupees. Okay, see here. There are 9 coins of 5 rupees and 9 coins of 10 rupees. So the totally Rajesh had is 9 plus 9 is, that is 18 coins. So the third option is very right. Okay, now read the question number 9. Yes, student, read this one. Question number 9. Okay, Suyas had a bundle of 10 rupee notes, which are numbered from 42,382 to 42,432. What was the amount with Suyas? Okay, now first we have to consider how to count the notes. Okay, if we had notes from numbering 100 to 111, so how many the total numbers of notes? Yes, student, if we had notes from numbered 100 to 111, so how many total numbers of notes? Can you tell me the answer? Okay, we will see. 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So the total numbers of notes we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the total numbers of notes from 100 to 111 is 12. So see, we can write it as, to find out the notes from 111 to 100, we can minus smaller number from it and we get 11. We add 1, find out the total numbers of notes. Okay, now see here, this is given the total the notes are numbered from 42,382 to 42,432. So we will do subtraction. Minus 400 and 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is
0.
0. 3 minus 8, we can't subtract 8 from 3. So this is 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 3,
0.
2 minus 2 is 0. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So see here, the total number of notes is here 50. And we have to add 1 also. That is 51. So this is the bundle of 10 rupee notes. So 51 multiplied by 10. So 51 multiplied by 10 is
510.
510. So which option is right? Third one is right answer. Good. See here, illustration is given. Number of notes from 42,382 to 42,400 is 19. And number of notes from 42,400 to 42,432 is 32. So the total number of notes is 51. So total amount of 51 notes of 10 rupees is 51 multiplied by 10, that is 510. So the third one is right answer. Okay, now some problems for you. Rupees 12 is equal to how many paisa? Yes, student. Tell me the answer. Rupees 12 is equal to how many paise?
1,200 paise.
1200 paise. Okay, because 1 rupees is equal to
100 paise.
100 paise. So the 12 rupees is equal to 1200 paise. Good. Very good. Now read question number 2.
A quarter rupees less than rupees 9 is equal to how many?
A quarter rupee less than rupees 9. So what is the answer? 9 rupees means how many? How many paisa 9 rupees means?
900.
900. Okay. And a quarter rupee means how many paisa? A quarter rupee means how many paisa?
50 paisa.
Not, it is 25. Half means 50 paisa and quarter means 25 paisa. So 0 minus 5 is, we can't subtract 5 from 0. So 10 minus 0 is, this is 5, 7, 8. So 875 paisa means how many rupees?
8 rupees.
800 means 8 rupees and 75 paisa. So which option is right?
Second.
Second, 8 rupees and 75 paise. Good. Okay. Now the question number 3. Read this one.
40 rupees 50 paise minus 24 rupees 75 paise.
Okay, now do the subtraction and tell me the answer. Okay.
Sorry.
Which option is right? Can you tell me the answer?
We cannot
Okay, okay.
minus 0 minus 5.
We cannot minus 75 from 50 paisa. Okay, so we will take 1 rupee from 40 rupees. That is 1 rupee is equal to how many paisa?
100 paisa.
100 paisa. So it become 39 and it become 150. So 0 minus 5, we can't again do it. So this is become 14 and this became 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 and 14 minus 7 is
7.
7. So 75 paisa is here. 39 minus 24. 9 minus 4 is
5.
5 and 3 minus 2 is
1.
1. So the required answer is 15 rupees and 17.5 paisa. So which one is the right answer?
Third.
Third one is right answer. Very good. Okay. Now read question number 4.
20 rupee note bundle had notes from 47221 to 47276 number.
Don't read it as 47276. Read it as 47,276. Okay.
Yes,
Read it again.
4000
4, that is 47,000 or 4,000.
47,221
Yes.
to 47,276 number. What was the amount in this bundle?
Okay. So what do you have to do? We do the
My
same sum. Yes, minus. 20 rupee notes bundle had notes from 47,221 to 47,276 numbers. So what was the amount in this bundle? We have to do subtraction. Okay. 276 minus 400 to 1. Okay. 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 minus 2 0. 970 440. So 55 is here. So what do we have to do next? Yes. Yes, student. What do we have to do? We have to add 1, that it becomes 56. Now it is the note of 20 rupees. So we multiplied 56 by 20. 56 multiplied by 20. So the answer is, see here, 26 the 120. 25 the 100. 100 plus 12 is 112. So which option is right? Yes, student. Which is the correct answer? Yes, second one is right answer. So the total amount in the bundle is rupees 100 and, sorry, 1,120. Okay. These sums for your homework. Note it down and or take a screenshot. Okay, thank you, student. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.